We're delighted you've chosen to take a trial lesson with Allright. We'll now explain how the lesson will proceed, what your child can expect, and how to prepare. Let's get started. Allright's 7 years of experience confirm that learning through immersion speeds up language acquisition. Therefore, communication in the lesson will be in English. But don't worry, our teachers use gestures, pictures, and animations to keep your child engaged and excited throughout the lesson. We welcome parents to attend the trial lesson with their child for support. At the end of the lesson, you will receive feedback and recommendations. We look forward to seeing you there, parents. An interactive Allright lesson includes games, a variety of exercises, over 30 types available on our platform, drawing, quests, and puzzles. This approach keeps your child interested and helps them learn quickly. Children will receive stars and stickers for correct answers and participation. We have implemented a game format to make learning exciting for the children. Make sure you have completed all the necessary preparation steps on the platform. This will help us tailor the lesson individually for your child. For the best experience, we recommend using a computer, laptop, or a tablet during the lesson. If you want to join the lesson from a tablet, download the Allright app from Google Play or App Store. You can access your trial lesson from your personal account 30 minutes before the lesson starts. The time during the lesson will fly by and your child's knowledge of English will last for many years. Take your child on an exciting journey of learning with Allright.